Welcome back to TradeProFX. Today is another amazing video, and today we are going to do very simple trading. And that simple trading we are going to be doing is a differs, and then after there is a loss, it automatically changes to under 6. So the bot is very clear. When you click all bots, you're going to see the differs bot. So you just click the differs bot on the second bot there, so under the all the 78 plus bots. So you just put your stake here, and it's very simple. Like now you can see we have 365.35, so I'll be using something like 20 because the stake there is at least better using 20 because of that capital. So when we use 20, we expect not more than 3 losses or 4. So we just start running, and maybe after there is a remember after the martingale is only 2. So when we lose 20, it goes times 2, so that is 40 picks and under 6 martingale when digit 9 maybe has entered into the cycle. So let's see. So it will be easier. So my target is reaching this account to 400 USD, and we are just going to do simple as this. Someone had asked me how that works. It's very simple. So you can see the first rows, then it doubles, then goes for under 6. Can you see 4 is under 6 and you have 1 and proceeds with differs. Simple as this. So someone had asked me how it works, and it is only by trading differs. It only shifts to under 6 whenever the bot has lost. And remember, differs losing. One thing you need to know that whatever is happening here, it's now picking trades randomly. So you can check, we will check the digit. You can see the first one we lost it at 6, now we have lost it at 7. Why? Because the bot is doing random trades in terms of differs. The same way Deriv produces those random digits, also the bot also is producing and doing random digits as it is doing differs. So there is nothing, no pattern, nothing. It is only doing random generated digits also so from digit 0 to 9. And you can see the results are awesome. So as I told you, we expect only 3 losses as we proceed until we reach our take profit, which we have only remaining with 3 USD again, 2 now. So it's this simple. You can just go to that bot, and it's under the free bots. So perfect, we are at 400.35 USD. We stick there, and we first hold from there, and let's check. I want us to check the last digit that we had. You can see this was 6. Then if we expect the other time we expected to be 6, but now see it is 7. Why? Because its prediction is so random, therefore it doesn't have a consistent digit that it is specified. No, therefore it is random, the same way the Deriv produces random generated digits. So you can change your stake from this area here, and you can use the amount of stake you want. Even if I wanted to use 100, it's because I knew because of risk management, let me use the best. So you can use the differs, this bot here, and it's under the all 78 bots. So you just find it as the second bot, and that is how you configure. Simple as that. And you set everything. You can also see the random integer here from 0 to 9. You can change 3 to maybe 7, and put whatever, but it's better because put it just from 0 to 9 so that it can randomize from 0 to 9, because the digits we win with are all of them from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Simple as that, and you make your own money. And it is just the easiest way you can trade, at least now, not doubling or multiplying so much stake. Remember here the bot is doing under 6 after a loss. So and the martingale is only doubling the stake that you are using. So therefore, if it was using the normal that we were using, stake multiplied by 11 or 12, that is a bit hectic. It's better we just use this one, which is very very simple. So let's meet in the next video, as we have reached at 400.35. That is an awesome with printing 35 USD. Try it on the comment section. Comment, let me know in the comment section. And someone recommended that we always try and do using the mobile device so that you can able to see clearly. So let's meet in the next video. Bye bye.